Coming up.
Hi lads, and welcome to yet another video on my YouTube channel. My name is Kang'ethe and I do lifestyle, beauty and spaces content. So on this day, if you can remember, if you watched the previous vlog, I'd mentioned I wanted to go for a house tour. So I went to Ngong Road, Kenya in Sultan Palace offices. They are located in Ngong Road, Adams Arcade building, and I went to look at their amazing houses. So apparently I wasn't able to go to these amazing projects because they are located in Mombasa. So when we get money, we'll have a look, maybe hopefully go there and take a video on it and have a staycation. So something else that I really adored was this booklet. I really loved the photos and I was gifted for it to go, and I went with it home together with that notebook on the corner. That's the card of the realtor in case you want to reach out. I'll leave the details to her. So now, because we're not going to have that video, let's go back home and continue with the organization. Welcome home. So now we are going to continue with organization video of my bedroom. Something that I've really stayed for long without organizing is my cabinet and this makeup sector. So, and you know, as girls, when we use something, sometimes some girls we just leave it the way it is and maybe get a bit tired to return it and start organizing it again. Anyway, so something I'm also manifesting to have is white cabinets. I'm really praying to God that with time I will be able to change the color of my cabinets to white and maybe buy a wallpaper. So if you haven't subscribed, please do. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to the club, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always watching my videos. Stay tuned.